Hey guys, today is Tuesday, June 30th, 2020, and we are under a severe thunderstorm warning right now. Oh my god, look at these winds, y'all! Oh, look! Oh my god, bruh! Oh my god, look at these beautiful, crazy winds right now! Look! Oh my god! It is blowing like nuts out here. It is blowing insane. It's blowing like 22 miles per hour. Oh god! Oh god! Oh my god, look at this. Oh baby!
Record the concrete. And you record the concrete. Look at how fast it built up. Ridiculous.
Oh my god. Northwest, these winds are... Oh my god! Look at that! Oh god, I better carry this. Oh. Maybe can use these. Alright guys, so I have to put all my sandals on so in case my feet won't get wet. So, let's close this door. Jeez! A severe thunderstorm warning is here. Oh my god! I'm not sure y'all can tell, but these winds are super crazy right now, and it makes me remind of the Easter severe thunderstorm warning like we had. Hope power flashes aren't even here. Anyways, this thunderstorm will take forever, so I have to split into two parts for this video. And part 1 is today, and part 2 is tomorrow. Oh my god. Oh god. What do these winds look like? They look like tornado winds. I don't know if it's going to be a tornado warning storm or a derecho. I think derecho. Ooh, man. I'm sure severe thunderstorm Tuesday is here, finally. Oh god, rain is coming down too hard. What can I say about these winds? These winds are super crazy. They're super insane. Like, they're blowing at 22 miles per hour. Or 21 miles per hour. Oh my god. Oh my god. These are crazy. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think the power might go out again. We had June 27th on Saturday. Ooh god. Winds are getting in my camera. The rain is getting in my camera. Oh my god. The crazy winds are back! Jeez, I gotta get super back. Winds are sure blowing some more! Man, these winds are super intense! These winds are super insane, you can tell. Oh my god. I never had this thunderstorm before. Just like we had in 2013. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, guys. My voice is about to change. Oh, look at these super winds. These winds are super crazy. Oh my god. Look. You can tell. These winds are super fast. Look. I ain't telling you this. Sorry for the shake, guys. It's because of severe thunderstorm warnings are super insane, guys, and you can tell about these trees over here that are going north. They're trying to go north right now, but you know. Let's see what I can do about it. Oh wow, I can't believe this, y'all. Oh my god. Oh god. I'm sure rain's pretty coming down too hard. Oh my god. My god, oh 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 my god. Pretty sure these winds are so strong. My voice is changing. The thunderstorms are so crazy. Right now, look. Oh god. Rain's coming out on the porch. Oh god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay guys, so I'll be right back guys, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure I'll capture this on video.